新闻读起先，赶紧来关心美国的总统大选是当咧开票。根据美联社数据，目前共和党的 Trump 是摕到248张选举人票，民主党何锦丽214张。美国土地块包含6个时间区，上晚开票的夏威夷甲阿拉斯加嘛，拢已经咧开票。也若是伫咧这段期间，美国 FBI 那像是接到线报，讲是有几多件那像是来自罗西亚的假炸弹攻击。
美国总统大选继续开票，也毋过部分投票所出状况。宾州坎布里亚投票所电子投票系统软体故障，造成选民无法度扫描已经完成的选票。法院已经下令投票截止时间为暗时8点延长到10点。宾州是关键摇摆州，也有一个选务办公室遭破坏加闹事。 威斯康辛州密尔瓦基是因为技术问题，大约有31000张选票会重新计算。美国联邦调查局表示，乔治亚、密西根、亚利桑那甲威斯康辛等摇摆州接到关注罗西亚电邮网络的炸弹威胁。初步判定相关消息拢是假消息。乔治亚州霍尔顿郡有2个投开票所因为短暂关起来，和警力幕僚烦恼假炸弹消息影响选情。
32 bomb threats at different polling locations. We were able to clear 27 of them very quickly without the need for an evacuation.
共和党候选人川普伫佛州投票，当局出动大批警力维安。
Of course, there'll be no violence. My supporters are not violent people.
Didn't concede the election in 2020 when you lost. They're concerned that if you lost this election, you wouldn't concede again. What do you say to those people?
I think they're crazy. If I lose an election, if it's a fair election, I'd be the first one to acknowledge it. And I think well, so far, I think it's been fair.
何锦丽是伫拜六完成邮寄投票，初五出席民主党全国委员会电话银行活动，感谢支持者的爱护。
Sage? Hi, it's Kamala Harris. I can't wait for you to grow 10 years more. You know what? IEPs are so important. We have so much work to do to just keep reinforcing the Department of Education.
何锦丽甲川普拢想要伫今年大选中创造历史。何锦丽希望会当成做美国第一位当选总统的女性。川普是要争取自1892年克利夫兰了后第2回2摆当选，也不过任期无连续总统。公司新闻吴玉莲编译。